Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making a simple curry recipe, and that one is for curry, bodi and aloo. You could also make this with string beans, and bodi is also called bora. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. This one is going to be super easy to put together and really delicious. So we're going to start off in our pot with oil. To the oil we're going to add in a few cumin seeds and a few methi seeds. We're going to allow this to toast in the oil until it's dark brown in color. Next, I'm going in with a few curry leaves. You'll hear those pop, just be careful, they do splatter. Add in aromatics, and we're going to give this a mix and allow it to saute until the onions are translucent and tender. Now once your onions start to turn a light brown color, we're going to add in garlic. Add in your garlic, give it a mix and allow the garlic to cook until that turns a light brown color. Then we'll add in our curry powder. I'm adding in 2 heaping tablespoons of the curry powder, and I'm going to toast that on a low heat until it feels grainy. This should take about 1 minute. Once it starts to feel grainy, then we'll add in water to help the curry cook. So add in about a half of a cup of water, and we're going to allow this curry to cook until this turns into a thick paste. If you guys have never tried this curry before, you have to give it a try. It's really delicious. In goes green seasoning, and I'm going to mix that in. Now we're going to allow it to continue to cook until it thickens, and this is what it would look like. Allow it to continue to cook a little more. Let the oils start separating, and this is how it should look. Now I'm just going to give this a mix. At this point the curry is properly cooked, and now the next step will be to add our veggies. So I'm adding in my bodi and my potatoes. Season with salt, or you can use complete or all-purpose seasoning if you like, and toss. We're going to coat the veggies in that delicious curry, and we're going to allow this to cook down for about 5 minutes. You want to keep mixing it. Make sure it's not burning at the bottom. We're bunging down the veggies. We're adding so much more flavor by doing this step. Now we're going to add in about 3/4 cups of water. I don't like it to be too saucy. Give it a mix, and then we're going to cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice, soft, tender. You want the potatoes to be fork tender, and you want your veggie, your bodi, to be properly cooked. So I'm going to check it and see how it's going. The potatoes are still raw at this point. It needs a lot more cooking. This should take anywhere between 15 minutes to cook. Cover it and allow it to cook again. I'm going to check on it again. Give it a mix. Once the potatoes are tender, it's finished. So I'm going to check the potato. And see, it's cooked. It's nice and soft. All I have to do is taste and adjust my salt, and this is ready to be served. How easy was that, guys? This is so delicious with white rice. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you make it, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Try it with string bean or seim. It's a really great, delicious vegetarian meal with white rice. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.